my name is Charlene, and today we are going to do a simple experiment on how to make a bouncy egg. Things that you'll need to prepare: a glass jar, a raw egg, and vinegar. As you can see, I've been putting this egg in the vinegar for more than 12 hours, and I think you should put it for 1 day at least, because you want it to be really rubbery, so you put it inside the vinegar for at least 12 hours or more. Then after you put it inside this vinegar for 12 hours and more, you prepare more things. So you have your glass jar, bit of water in a cup, a spoon, and some tissue paper. Okay? So now I'm going to take it out and try and see if it's really bouncy, okay? Three, two, one. Oh my goodness, I feel it. Oh my. Should I touch it? It looks really disgusting. Oh my goodness, it is bouncy! Oh my goodness, it is really bouncy. Alright, I'm gonna wash it now in the water. Ew, my hands are really disgusting. That's what the tissue paper is for. My hands are really dirty and stuff. Remember to open it once again to put your egg inside. Alright, ew, this is really disgusting egg. You should just scrub it a little bit. So I can put the egg inside. Right. Got it out. This is how it looks. Now I'm gonna leave it more. Okay, I'm taking all the parts off. I know it's really disgusting, but in the end you get this egg super bouncy and super clean. You just do a little bit of disgusting stuff like that. So I'm gonna add in a bit more. So I thought the egg would be like a really odd stain and stuff. It's really bouncy, as you can see. But the problem is not safe as the color. So this might take a while to be clean. I'm trying to scrub it away so it'll turn out like a nice clean egg. You try this at home too, but just be careful, you need more water. And you also need to scrub it more. Look, now it has become like this. Nice yellow egg, really rubbery. I'm just gonna wash it a little bit more and hopefully it doesn't crack. Nice yellow egg, really nice. I'm just gonna Leave it on the table for a little while. Okay. Then leave it on the cat for a little while. And I'm going to dry the egg up. Okay, I see it's a little bit drying its own self. So this is the end of the bouncy egg. As well, vanilla did work, but I recommend you to put it for 2 days because I think all the color will come out in 2 days. Oh my goodness, it is really bouncy. But you cannot put it too high. If you put it too high, it will definitely crack. Alright, that's the end of this video. If you like the video, please subscribe and like it. Goodbye.